In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify store name as of right now in 2020 and beyond. So if you want to do that, keep watching the video and we'll get started right away. So you want to sign in to your Shopify store, you want to go to the home page, and then at the bottom left corner, you'll see settings. Click on settings and this will then bring you over to this settings page where you can find all of these different important settings. In order to change your store name, you want to click on General, which is right there at the left top corner. Click on it and then right there you'll see store details. So you'll see store address and all of that. But right there you can find your store name. You can then simply customize this and change it, right? So I can come up with how to digital and then let's say YouTube, and I can then hit save right there. And there you go. My store name is now How to Digital YouTube. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, let me know in the comments if it worked, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.